Assalamu Alaikum. In this lecture, we will study a probability of events. So, by the way, what's the probability? So, it's hard to define formally. But anyway, so informal definitions like probability is a type of ratio where we compare how many times an outcome can occur compared to all possible outcomes. Okay, this is informal. Okay, so you want to like define formally, so like you can say how likely something is to happen. Okay, according to this definite ratio, actual ratio between number of wanted outcomes or the number of failed outcomes. Uh, and the number of possible outcomes. Okay, ratio between the number of wanted outcomes and the number of possible outcomes. So let's take some examples for better understanding. So what is the probability to get a 6 when you roll a die? So I know in this season, COVID time, so you playing Ludo game. I know most of students. So I know I'm not good at playing so Ludo, but I know a little bit. So let me know. So what's the number of possible outcomes? So we make sample space for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 numbers are are possible. So okay, for 6. For this number, 6 number. So how many chances for 6? And the number of possible outcome is 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 numbers. Okay, so for 6 number, only one. Okay, only one number. Okay, so out of 6. Okay, so 1 out of 6 is chance for getting this number in a 6 number. If while you opening game, you need a 6 number, so probability of 6 is 1 over 6. So for probability of 1, again 1 over 6. For probability of 2, again 1 over 6. 3, 4, 5, again 1 over 6. Okay, so you understand probability is like you wanted outcome 6 out of number possible outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need 1 out of 6. So let's move to second example. What is the probability of getting head when a coin is tossed? So we make first sample space. So for one time, you want to toss a coin actually. So the most possible outcomes. So head and tail only. So only you want the probability of head. Probability head is equal to 1, okay, out of 2. So you want like a toss twice. So you make first sample space, maybe chances at first time head, and again you toss again maybe head can occur. So head tail, similarly tail head, last one is tail. So how many possible outcomes here? Students 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of, if you want to say probability of head and head, so it's about 1, 2, 3, 4. Your possible outcomes is 4. For head only 1. Okay, so 1 out of 4. So you need 25% chances. So if you want like a 1 head 1 tail, you want to calculate one head or 1 tail. So probability for 1 head and 1 tail, 1 head 1 tail, 1 tail 1 tail 1 head, again 1. So maximum 2 chances. So not 2 chances, I mean 2 possible. 2 wanted outcomes. So 2 out of 2 possible. Head tail maybe, or tail head. Okay, 1 out of 4. So sorry, 2 out of 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. You need half chances. So if you're going to toss twicely and you want to know probability for head and tail, I'm not saying first head and tail, second is tail. I'm saying head and tail. Maybe if you toss first time, maybe you get head, and second time your tail. Maybe again you toss first time, maybe you get tail, and second time is the head. So 2 things is 2 possibilities. So 2 out of maximum possibilities is 4. 2 out of 4 is 1 or 2 half chances. I hope you understand and you enjoyed with my lectures. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for next videos. Bye bye.